Hi, I'm Yaşar Vurdem, digital artist who has collaborated with world-leading brands such as Adobe, Billie Eilish, Prime Video's Lord of the Rings, Rings of Power, The Well of Time, Stadel series, Wacom, Logitech, and many more brands. If you want to master digital painting from zero to professional level, my step-by-step online Udemy course will guide you through everything you need to know. What you will learn in this course: drawing and painting fundamentals, and realistic lighting, colors and textures, character, concept art, and fashion illustration, and pro tips to work faster in Photoshop and Procreate. Trusted by global brands and thousands of students worldwide, this course is designed to help you to become the digital artist you always dreamed of. Enroll in the full course today at Udemy.